Brain teasers are a great way to keep mentally active. The ones I'm going to show you today are going to increase in difficulty, so if you don't do them the first time, that's totally okay. Just remember that the more you practice these sort of things, the easier that they'll become, so I'll encourage you to keep trying. And remember, if you want to keep learning new things with me, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Alright, let's get right to the puzzles. Puzzle number 1 tests your visual skills. If you arrange the pieces in these 4 puzzles, 3 will make the same shape and 1 won't. Which puzzle is the odd one out? Pause this video now if you want to work it out. I will give you the answer in 3, 2, 1. If you answered puzzle B, then you're correct. Well done! A, C and D all rearrange into a rectangle shape, but that's just not possible with puzzle B. Studies have shown that girls often struggle with the spatial recognition in these sort of puzzles more than boys do. But this difference between girls and boys actually becomes almost nothing when girls are given toys and games to play with that help improve the visual processing part of our brains. So keep doing these puzzles and you'll get better. I know I did. Puzzle number 2. This tests your math skills. Imagine a sum where every digit was given a different letter. What sum would spell out cow times cow equals dead cow? Remember, each letter represents a digit. You might need some paper and a pencil to work this one out. I did. So pause this video and I will give you the answer in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. The answer is 376 times 376 equals 141,376. Now, when I worked out this one, I probably did it the long way round. Are you ready for puzzle number 3? This tests your logic skills. You're on an island with 12 identical looking islanders. All but one weigh the exact same weight, and one weighs either more or less than the other 11. You have one seesaw to measure the weight of the islanders, but it breaks after only 3 uses. How do you find the one islander that's a different weight? Pause this video and try to work it out. And get ready for the answer in 3, 2, 1. This puzzle was made famous by the Brooklyn Nine-Nine episode Captain Peralta in Season 2. The solution starts like this. Take 8 islanders and weigh 4 on each side of the seesaw. If the seesaw is balanced, you know that one of the remaining 4 are lighter or heavier. Take 2 of them and weigh those 2 against 2 of the original 8. Again, if it's balanced, you know that the heavier or lighter person is one of the last 2. Pick one to weigh against one of the regular weighted people. That way, you know that if the scale tips, they're the person that's heavier or lighter, but if it's balanced, you know it's the last remaining person that's a different weight. If on the second try it's not balanced, you know one of the 2 people you pick to weigh is either lighter or heavier. Pick one to weigh against one of the normal weighted people, and then you have your answer. Now, if on the first weigh the seesaw is not balanced, remember which 4 are possibly lighter and label them 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then the 4 that are possibly heavier are labelled 5, 6, 7 and 8. Label the rest 0 because you know that they are normal. On the second weigh, swap 4 and 5 and replace 1, 2 and 3 with 3 normal weighted people. So you're weighing 4 who is possibly lighter, 6, 7 and 8 who are possibly heavier, against 5 who is possibly heavier and 3 normal weighted people. If the seesaw is unbalanced with 4 on the lighter side and 5 on the heavier side, you know that your only 2 options are either 4 is lighter than the rest or 5 is heavier, and the rest are all normal. So, on your third and final weigh, take either 4 or 5 and weigh against the normal weighted person. That way you'll find out whether 4 is light or 5 is heavy. If on the second weigh, the side with 6, 7 and 8 is heavier than the other side, you know that 6, 7 or 8 must be heavy and the rest are normal. Take 2 of them and weigh them against each other, and use your last try to work out which is heavier. If the scales are balanced, then the one that's remaining is heavier. If they are not balanced, the heavier one is the odd one out. And then lastly, if on the second weigh the seesaw is balanced, you know that one of 1, 2 or 3 are lighter than the rest. Weigh 2 of them on your last try, and again, if the 2 are balanced, then the last one remaining is lighter. If they are not balanced, the lighter one is the odd one out. So there we go, I hope you enjoyed these puzzles, giving your neurons a bit of a workout for a change. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like and comment down below saying you want some more puzzles from me. And in the meantime, if you want to watch my last episode, you can click here. And if you want to watch the video that the YouTube algorithm thinks that you enjoy best, you can click here. And yeah, if you have any puzzles that you want to share with me, then comment down below and I'll definitely check them out. Alright, see you next week. Bye!